What's going on, guys? Dustin Carver Hobby with part 2 of our break. I seem to be having a little bit of streaming issues in that last section. Last time. I'm not sure. Maybe it's I don't know. I can't tell you. But let's go over our hits again real quick. Let me know if this is any better for you guys as far as the stream goes. I'll do that last box again. Odell Beckham we had. At a 99 patch. That whole break was recorded on my computer too, guys, so it'll be real clear on the YouTube upload I do. So you guys can watch it there if you want that first two boxes. We got Lamar Miller, Miami, down and dirty. We had Jay Cutler at a 99. We had Taj Boyd at a 99. And D'Anthony Thomas base auto. Alright. A little better for you guys then? The stream's going a little clearer. Everything good, guys? We'll continue. Sorry about that. I apologize. I'm not sure what was going on, but alright, cool. Good. My apologies. I'm not sure what happened, but sometimes there's just the connection issues is all. So I turned the music off, so maybe that'll help a little bit on the. So if you guys want some music in the background, pop open your Pandora. I'd rather have you guys play it and not maybe slow it down than having it going. So. We're breaking without music these last four boxes. If you start lagging again, guys, let me know. We got Allen Robinson, Jags auto. Blue base. Allen Robinson for the Jaguars. Yeah, there's one of ones here. There's one of ones. Definitely one of ones. We got Matthews and Stafford. Base. Was that Reggie Wayne? Reggie Wayne? Insert. We got D'Anthony Thomas out of 299 for the Chiefs. D'Anthony Thomas out of 299. Okay, C. We got a clear out of 299. DeMarco Murray. DeMarcus Lawrence. Wow. DeMarcus Lawrence clear. Oh my god, I have no idea what's going on, guys. I'm assuming this is the breakers issue tonight. I have everything shut off, so it's not on me. AJ Green, Joe Hayden, looks like we're back up again. Is we okay now? Out of 70, Jake Matthews, Atlanta die cut. We got a profile of Peyton Manning, clear. We had quite a few of those in the first half. Peyton Manning's, those clear ones. Are we all right now? Feel it. We got Drew Brees. Get my insert pile a little organized here. Let's get sloppy. Alright. We got DeAndre Hopkins. I'm assuming Andre Johnson. Andre Johnson. Double. Josh Gordon. Browns. Wes Welker. Denver. We got a Blake Bortles out of $4.99, $9.99. I can't see what that is. $4.99. Out of $1.99, CJ Furtowitz, Houston. CJ Furtowitz for Houston out of $1.99. Filler. We got a Peyton Manning, Tom Brady. We will randomize this one at the end. It's a nice one, so we're going to randomize this one off at the end. Brady, Manning. It's one of the better duels in this product. So unless we get another one, we won't. But Cap. Montana. 49ers. Kaepernick and Montana. Those two should never be on a card together. Alright, we got a threads of Steven Jackson on the Rams. Interesting. Out of $1.99. Steven Jackson for the Rams. Yeah, probably, man. You got them cheap enough. We got a Sioux Lions. The clarity of Alshon Jeffrey. The Bears. We got an Andrew Luck insert. Filler. Out of $9.99, Jerry Archer for Pittsburgh. We got a Luck and Watt duel. Dante Moncrief, Colts out of $1.99. Dante Moncrief out of $1.99 for Indy. Die cut auto, Moncrief. Space. 1 second here, guys. Alright guys, box 3, or box 4. Oh my gosh. Pack was super glued together. Oh my god, it's like a brick. Clarity is obviously in here. Yeah, I figured. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not really sure what's going on with this lagging tonight. I mean, I have no idea. Never had this problem. I don't think it's on my end. I have nothing else running. I'm assuming it's probably a breakers issue tonight. You know, it's breakers and they have issues every night. I do apologize about this. Doesn't usually happen ever. We can get through a whole case of Topps Chrome for an hour and a half and not have a lag spike. I don't know why it's happening tonight. Hit right there, bring that up with us. RG3, starting us off, base. Go. Andrew Luck, Peyton Manning, another one of those, passing the torch. Second one. Got Jamal Charles out of 199, Kansas City. So Kansas City with a couple hits now. Cam Newton insert, Carolina. Alshon Jeffrey Clarity. Did we just hit that? Did we just hit Jeffrey Clarity? It's definitely a bear. We got Crabtree Sherman insert. You can randomize that one too. Okay. It's a decent one. Out of 799, Brett Smith for Tampa Bay. Whoever that is. RG3, Washington. We got Eric Ebron out of 299 for the Lions. Richard Sherman, Seahawks. Face Thomas Flowers. I think it's the second one of these we've had. We got Lance C. Strunk out of 799 for Washington. And behind that, we have a 199 Percy Harvin green die cut. I guess it's not die cut. Looks die cut. Green insert. Filler. Eli Manning. Eddie Lacy, Amon Green, insert. We got Aqib Talib and Steve Smith, insert. Logan Thomas for Arizona. It's not Logan Thomas, is it? Is that Logan Thomas? Focus here so you guys can see this. Does not look like Logan Thomas. Weird. I don't know, maybe it is. Doesn't look like him though. Andre Johnson insert. Filler. He's not great. Romo Manning insert. Didn't look like him. It was weird. We got Shaq Evans out of 199 for the Jets. Die cut auto out of 199. Bishop Sankey's next, huh? Steve Smith had a 97 Troy Nicholas die cut. Had a 199 Matt Hazel. The Dolphins. Filler. Andre Johnson. All right. Kill that one open. Yes, very long term. Oh, it's a Boyd. I'm surprised they haven't hit Mike Davis yet, to be honest. Yeah, Michael Sam's did a lot. I swear to God, we have 7 Mike Davis autos in a week. 7 a week of that dude. I'll be amazed if we don't hit one in these 6 boxes. A lot of Logan Thomas, a lot of Michael Campanaro. If the first hit out of here is Bishop Sankey in this, I will give you $5. I'll send you $5 PayPal. The first hit is Bishop Sankey. Whoever said that. Bishop Sankey. S. Bragg. $5 for the next one's Sankey. This card's flipped on the bottom. Let's get when we get down there. Hey, there's still 2 boxes left, man. You never know. Jimmy Graham, Keekly, and Sheldon Richardson. That's our second one of those. Hit. It's a running back, but not Sankey. Out of 299, Andre Williams for the Giants. We got RG3, Nick Foles, our second one of those. Chris Johnson, Tennessee, or Jets. He's in Tennessee Uni, but goes to the Jets. He had one of those in the first half, too, and it did the same thing. Greg Jennings, Vikings. Base. Jerick McKinnon out of 999. Minnesota. How's the break going, guys? Is that is it better? CJ Spiller? Upside down. Oh, there you go. Mike Evans, Tampa Bay. Mike Evans for Tampa Bay. It's going to be a base auto. Good. This is better. Mike Evans for the Bucks. I'm not sure what happened there. It must have just been a server spike. We got Wallace Cromartie. What an ugly insert. It's not something to write home about. Cromartie and Wallace. You. We got the Richard Sherman. Clarity. Andre Johnson, DeAndre Hopkins again. Second one of those. Ben Roethlisberger insert. Oh, Bishop Sankey, you were close, man. Out of 99, 75 and 99, Bishop Sankey. You were close. What was our third hit out of this? Bishop Sankey out of 99. Give you props, man. You called it. A little early. Well, that would have opened those packs up differently. Brandon Marshall. Out of $7.99, Kyle Van Noy lines. Kaepernick Wilson. And we got a clear auto of John Brown for the Cardinals. Nice. Out of $199, clear John Brown for Arizona. That's actually a decent hit there for Arizona. You got him for a low cost. Out of 25, Calvin Johnson die cut. There you go. Nice little Lions hit. Vernon Davis, 49ers. Anthony Thomas out of $7.99. And out of $1.99, Jordan Cameron, Browns. Base. 3 days ago, but 8 out of 5. Oh my, that's disgusting. I'll trade you for it. I'll trade you for it. How much you want for it? How much do you want for that card? Holy fat pack here. This might be a book. It doesn't even feel like the clarity. This feels monstrous. What is this? There's 2. There's a hit. There's a hit and a clarity in there. What's funny here? Another fat one. Another clarity. We got 2 clarities in here. They overstuffed one. They gave us 2 clarities. One with a hit. Alright, man, if you change your mind, let me know a price. I'm being serious. Let me know a price if you decide to get rid of it. No, there's no book. There wasn't a book. I thought there was books in here. Oh, I think of Topps Prime. Topps Prime has books. These are pretty similar products, Topps Prime and Elite. Alright guys, our last box. Best of luck. Thanks for buying into our break tonight, guys. Sorry about the issues we were having in those first couple boxes again. Looks like we cleaned it up though for the end of this, which is nice. If you guys want to watch any of the break again, part that we're lagging through, it'll be on YouTube, lag free. So got 2 clarities in here. One had this big fat hit in it too. This is the monstrous pack. That's what made me think there was a book. Out of $199, Brandon Cooks, Saints. Filler. Sorry, Geno Atkins, Bengals. Amon Green, Eddie Lacy. Our fat hit. Oh, these are cool. I like these. All right, down distance, Tavon Austin. Out of 25. Check this bad boy out in case you guys haven't seen this. Boom, first down. Let's go back to jersey card. These are cool. In case you guys have never seen something like this. Tavon Austin. Pretty dope card. Yeah, man, let me know. for sure. Richard Sherman. We got a clarity. First one's Jamal Charles. Jamal Charles. We got another one coming up, and it is of Doug Martin. So we got a freebie in there. Topps would never do something like that. Thanks Panini for the free card. Romo, insert. Russell Wilson. We got Martavis Bryant out of 199 clear auto for Pittsburgh. Nice hit for the Steelers. Clear auto of Martavis Bryant out of 199. Jericho Cotchery. Antonio Brown and Darius Webb. A duel. Cam Newton. Transparency. Filler. And Marshawn Lynch to borrow Bowman. So one of you guys will get this one, and the other one will get the Russell Wilson Kaepernick one. So we'll do that. All right, guys, do our hit. Rob, we got more cards. Sorry. I thought we were done. Almost. I will do a hit recap at the end here, guys, too. Drew Brees and Peyton Manning will randomize this one off. Laurinaitis, Rams. Stuck to it. Kadeem Carey out of 49 for the Bears, 18 of 49. Kadeem Carey die cut. Peterson Johnson, insert. Brian Arakpo. Oh, sweet. Matty Ice out of 25 clear elite. That's pretty sweet. Atlanta Matt Ryan out of 25. That's a cool card. That's it for Atlanta, man. Oh, come on. Jimmy Garoppolo clear inscriptions auto. This thing's not even numbered. I've never seen one of these. How's this not numbered? Clear inscription of Jimmy Garoppolo. Nice hit. That's sick. So back to back, man. We got a Matty Ice and a Garoppolo clears back to back, man. That's pretty dope. Congrats, guys. This is out of 25. This one's not numbered. I wonder if it's on the back. That's strange. I don't know. Nice box. Congrats to both of you guys on that. They got the Kadeem Carey out of 49, something like that. LaShawn McCoy, at least we ended on a nice one. Nice box to end on. Some base. Alright, guys, let's go over our hits again. And then we'll random off those inserts. Matty Ice out of 25. Garoppolo inscriptions. Kadeem Carey out of 49 die cut. We got Martavis Bryant clear out of 199. Wow, clear. 3 out of those 4 cards were clear. Then we got two clarities, Jamal Charles and Doug Martin. Then we got the Tavon Austin out of 25, the spinner. We got John Brown out of 199 clear. Hard for my camera to focus on this. I can't see it. Sankey out of 99. Mike Evans, base auto. Clarity of Chris Johnson, Jets. Andre Williams out of 299. Shaq Evans out of 199. Jets. Logan Thomas, base auto. Ebron out of 299. What else? Got a couple clarities here of Jeffrey and Jeffrey. So we got dual clarities of Jeffrey. Get another clarity out of the way. It sets the packs off a little bit. A couple of them here. We had a Jackson and Miller clarities. We got Jamal Charles out of 199. Moncrief out of 199. Die cut Colts. Steven Jackson out of 199. D'Anthony Thomas out of 299. Chiefs. Allen Robinson, base auto. Out of 99, Taj Boyd, Jets. D'Anthony Thomas, base auto. Out of 99, Jay Cutler, jersey. Odell Beckham out of 99. Forgot we hit this 2-color patch of Beckham. Forgot that was even in there. We got Aaron Donald, 199 die-cut Rams. Carlos Hyde, base auto, 49ers. Good. I'm glad you guys enjoyed the break. Got some nice hits. Had a hiccup at the beginning, but we busted through it. Allen Robinson at 299 and Devontae Adams at 299. So that's our 2014 Topps Prime break, guys. I'm gonna do this randoms really quickly. I mean, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on these, but we're gonna do these 3 here. We're just gonna do these 2, because one person's gonna get this Crabtree and Sherman, the other one will get the Kaepernick and whatever. So we'll do these 2. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that, and we'll do the randoms for these 2 real quick. First up, we'll do Saints and Broncos. All right. This one's for the Breeze and Peyton Manning, whatever that guy's name is. All right, here we go. 5 randoms, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Saints. 5 times. Saints on top. Boom. Going to the Saints. So this one's going to Nollins. Nollins. And we're going to do Broncos and Patriots. It's for the Manning Brady. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times Broncos. So the Broncos go 1 for 2. Broncos are getting the Manning Brady duel. Let's go on the Broncos. All right, guys. That is our break. I appreciate you guys stopping in tonight. Kind of a long break, but it was fun. It was a good break. So if you guys have any questions, I'll hang around for a few minutes. If not, thanks for breaking with cardboardhobby.com. We appreciate you guys stopping in tonight. If you have any questions, let me know.